Well, here we have that first edition Sensation computer copying the files from its restore CD. I'm just doing it manually because it's a different DOS version. We have the compact flash adapter installed, the miserable little 100 megabyte hard drive that it came with. Can't believe that. In the year this was released, in the early 90s, a 100 meg, that's crazy. Alright, so I installed DOS 621, and so now I have to hit no on all of these so it doesn't have the wrong things there. Anyway, this CD-ROM, as you can see, is a real unique thing. There's its cable. It's a serial thing on the motherboard. It's actually a little daughter board that connects to it. Of course, then it has its own sys thing that has to get loaded in config. But it's working.